Welcome everybody to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on my top 5 mods that I have done to the truck that cost a total of under $400. Now if you're wondering what these mods are, I'm going to explain to you each and every one. I'm going to give you the cost breakdown and explain the installs a little bit and show you how they work. First off, I'm going to say big impact. The 60-inch blade rear LED tail light under the tailgate. Phenomenal. Great visibility, easy to install, very affordable price. At about $100 and approximately 1 hour to install, even including removing the tailgate, which was very easy on here. Well worth the money. I wired it in to the hitch harness right underneath of the truck bumper here in the rear. I soldered the wires into the connections, and it has 3M tape that was solid on the back, although I did heat it up with a heat gun to just make sure that the connection would stay between the light and the body of the truck under the tailgate through weather, heat, cold. That's the best way to do it. Clean it up with alcohol real good, heat it up with a heat gun, and it's not going to go anywhere. The second mod is going to be the AVS Aeroskin 2 hood protector. As you can see, I got the matte black. I think it's good to create a little bit of contrast between the glossy finish of the truck and a couple of the pieces that I've added that have the matte black, and some that were factory installed, such as the rear of the mirrors, the satellite antenna. You have some of the front fascia, which is matte black, but that AVS Aeroskin 2 sits flush to the hood. Took about an hour to install. There's no water getting behind there. There's no dirt, dust, debris settling behind there. The 3M adhesive tape comes right up to the edge, so it doesn't allow for anything to get behind there. That AVS Aeroskin was $130 directly from Auto Vent Shade. The third is going to be the Rough Country under seat storage box. As you can see there, I got my 12-inch sub, but the Rough Country under seat storage box goes from the driver's side all the way to the passenger side. Makes for easy under seat organization and storage. And that was $120. Now the other is going to be the Boost Auto All Light Mod Adapter, which allows you to use your high beams and your fog lights at the same time, because from the factory you are not able to do that. And I'll show you here how that works. Start it up real quick. All right, now that we got it started up, we got our high beams on. As you can see there on the dash. Push our fog button. Now the fog indicator does not come on the dash, because from the factory still recognizes that they won't work together. However, when we come out to the front, we see that we have our brights on and we have our fog lights functioning. This mod from Boost Auto, 25 bucks. Takes about 15 minutes to install, and you can check out, I actually have a video on the install if you're looking to do it yourself. It is pretty easy if you got a little bit of vehicle electrical wiring experience. Not very hard. The instructions are very detailed that I have in my video, along with the wiring plugs and diagram in the description, so you can check that out. 25 bucks. And lastly, fifth mod, looks so much better than the giant metal factory whip antenna. Shorty, there she is. AM/FM HD satellite, $20 on Amazon. Has worked perfectly. I've had it in there for months now. I have a satellite radio subscription, and it is awesome. Again, 20 bucks on Amazon. So as you can see, you can do 5 great things to your Chevy Silverado for less than $400. Our total of everything that we discussed today, that I showed you that I've done to my truck, $395. Now you might be able to save a little bit of money too if you check out the websites, which I will include the links in the description, so that you can save yourself a few bucks. Check out each of the websites for promotions periodically. If you're not looking to do everything all at once, that's perfectly fine. But less than 400 bucks, 5 quality mods that will improve both the exterior and the interior of your Chevy Silverado. Thanks for watching, everybody, and tuning in. Please drop some comments, like and subscribe.